Bago tayo magsimula, let me introduce to you my members or mga kasama ko dito sa backpacking na to. First, my name is Jimmy. Then, Vicky.
I am Leia Angela Estebera from grade 12 Psychology.
Hi guys, I'm Shelly Bahataw, together with Ayana Daniel Otersenyo and
Mount Parawagan is one of the Rodriguez Rizal's most demanding and beautiful mountain hikes. Barangay San Rafael is located on the western side of Sitio Wawa and has a route that leads to the trailhead in Sitio Parawagan. Mount Parawagan is a popular hiking destination near Metro Manila, ideal for both beginners and seasoned hikers. Standing at approximately 480 meters above sea level, the mountain offers scenic views of Sierra Madre mountain range and the La Mesa Dam Reservoir.
Join me on how I prepare the essential things that I'll be needing in hiking. So first one, let's do bag packing. So this is my hiking bag. So one of the most essential thing is the sunscreen. We need to bring sunscreen so that this will protect our body and our face against the sun. The next one is umbrella. So of course, kapag mag-hiking tayo, kailangan natin magdala ng umbrella para in case man na maaraw or umulan, meron tayong protection. And next, extra clothes. Syempre, kailangan natin ng extra clothes para kapag pinagpawisan tayo, meron tayong pamalit or madumihan man yung damit na suot natin, meron tayong extra. And next is raincoat. So, kailangan natin itong raincoat since hindi nga natin mape-predict kung uulan ba or hindi. So, kung bigla mang umulan, kailangan natin magdala na itong raincoat para ready tayo. Kung sakali mang umulan, mabilis na lang natin siyang makukuha sa bag natin. So, of course, kailangan pag mag-hiking tayo, kailangan din natin ng mga snacks. Kailangan natin ng mga snacks para in case na magutom tayo, wala naman tayong mabibilhan kaagad sa bundok, meron tayong makakain for our hiking. And of course, water. Pag mag-hiking tayo, napaka-essential na magdala kayo ng sarili nyong tubig para kapag nauhaw kayo, mabilis kayong makakainom agad. At ang pinaka-importante ay ang first aid kit. Ang first aid kit ang pinaka-importante dalhin sa hiking. Para kung sakali man na may hindi inaasahang aksidente or pangyayari is ready tayo. Tulad ng mga ganito. Kung masugatan man tayo, at least ready tayo. Or meron man tayong makita sa daanan na aksidente, pwede natin silang i-help sa pamamagitan ng pagpapahiram ng mga first aid kit natin. Since sa bundok is kapag nasugatan ka naman or nagkaroon ng emergency, hindi ka mapupunta agad or madadala agad sa hospital. So, again, ito yung mga kailangan natin for our hiking. First is itong raincoat. The next one is itong first aid kit. Towel. umbrella, extra clothes, sunscreen, some snacks, and of course, yung water natin. So, ito yung backpacking ko as I hike sa Mount Parawagan. Ito yung mga things na essential for me pag nag-hike ako. So, sana makakuha kayo ng idea for your hiking experiences. Thank you!
What are the tips and safety measures that we need to consider while doing this hiking? First is be mindful that natin isipin yung weather. Pag binigyan natin yung weather conditions, bumaay, may pag-hike na. Kasi hindi tayo pwede mag-hiking habang pwede maging madulas ang dadaanan natin. Pwede mag-cause ng. Second is be aware of your limitations. Hike at a space of comfortable. Kung saan ka lang comfortable, doon lang yung i-hike mo. Kasi kung hindi ka comfortable, pwede kang mairita or hindi mo ma-enjoy. Third is respect wildlife. You need to respect wildlife. Hindi mo sila pwedeng pakainin or hawakan. Kasi hindi lahat ng wildlife o yung mga animals na tingin natin is good, pwede natin hawakan. Kasi they can cause a harm effect. And lastly, stay hydrated. You need to stay hydrated para hindi ka mauhaw while hiking.